guys, this is the Bentley Bentayga. This is a Bentley's go at having a go at the SUV. It's got a really nice interior, all leather. You've got your controls over here, and the Bentley badge, and the horn over here. It's got a very nice analog display. Shows the speed and the revs. We've also got the gear shifters over here. This is the switch down and this is the switch up. The interior of this car is absolutely sublime. You can pick what modes you want to keep from here. And you've got more off-road settings using these buttons. You've got storage space. And this is the key lever. This is the electronic parking brake. You've got two cup holders over here as well. This is the infotainment system. Switches on. The Bentley sign. Just switching on the navigation. What I really like about this Bentley is the attention to detail. For example, we've got the analog clock, the lovely wooden finish, and the attention to detail is second to none in this car. You see it's got a really beautiful leather stitching over here. Oh, fuel level warning. You can see the current navigation. Click on the media. You can plug in the aux cord, Bluetooth, to play music. Overall, very beautiful interior. You've got electric windows. You can control it from here. The lock and the unlock button. Absolutely beautiful leather stitch over here. Black and cream. You can see the stitch lining. You can control the mirrors, the windows using this. You can also control the lights using these buttons. This is the mirror. See a Bentley Continental. This is the passenger seat. Loads of space. You've got the Bentley logo over here. It's got that new car smell as well. You've got leather. You've got more storage space over here as well. You can put any change or your phone. And the Bentley logo. And the gear lever. Over here, when I lift this, we've got more storage space as well. It's got an aux input. USB input as well. The 12 volt charging. Put some extra stuff in here. You can even control the AC using this. The seat ventilation. Turn on and off the volume. Really well built, solid. The ride height is really good in this car as well, because it's an SUV. When you press this, you can switch on and off the lights. This looks really nice as well. Press it to turn it off. And then when you open this, when you slide it, light comes on over there as well. I think that's a really great touch. Wooden finish over here as well. It's got carbon everywhere in this car. The Bentley logo. You've got electric seats. You can control that. Make it go back. The seat memory settings as well. The leather stitched seats. It's got a huge wheels as well. Bentley wheels. Let's take a look at the back. Bentley logo. This is the back side, the passenger seat of the car. It's really spacious. We've got air vents over here. The passenger can also control the temperature and other features like a touchscreen. It's also got a panoramic sunroof. It's really nice. Glass everywhere. So it feels so spacious, this car. Really nice leather quilted. Leather everywhere in this car, literally. The lock on your lock button. Nice wooden finish over here. Tinted windows. You open and close the door. The light illuminates. Everything is leather in this car. The Bentley logo. It's got really large boot space, this car. Store loads of things in this. Ideal family SUV. Huge exhausts. Self-closing boot from the Bentley Bentayga.